my son here. I'm a brother, and I know you are always there for us. Well, we are coming, it is the time for it. I have stepped out, I spoke to you on telephone, and without prior appointment, we said I was welcome. I should come. I was in Bayelsa, Delta. This is the third state I'm coming. I'm starting with your zone on my consultations to see the delegates for what I have come out to do, to seek for the most pivotal office in the country, that's the presidency of Nigeria, which you know I have discussed with you. I'm aware of the sensibilities and feelings here and there, especially self-actualization, rotation and zoning, and the feelings in the South. I have always considered myself as a Nigerian first, and of course I'm not representing the North, the Northeast or anywhere. And I know that there's need for equity and justice and fairness, and I know the PDP, for which I am a member, and that there's no inhibition in terms of zoning or anything for that matter. And we are ready at any point if there is a decision by leaders like you as to where it will go, but that is if it is not late to abide by the decision of the party. And that's why, based on the timeline and timetable, we are coming out to meet with delegates, especially leaders like you, to offer ourselves. It is not that we are the best, but certainly we are ready to serve the people. Maybe the best, not even maybe, is you, our leader, and others that have not even come out. But certainly, I'm very conscious of the need for teamwork, for unity, and in the tradition of the PDP to bring good governance, leveraging on the resources and capacity of people like you in terms of leadership recruitment, bringing the federating entities into one fold to be able to give good governance to Nigerians, as it is always known to be given by the PDP. We all know the situation better than me because you are a resource person even at the level of Governors Forum. And of course, I need your support. You are a #1 delegate in the state, a #1 stakeholder in Nigeria. I'm not doing it for me or for myself, I'm doing it for Nigeria. We are on the brains. The insecurity is too much, it's unbearable. The economy for which you are known for your pedigree and antecedents, you know so much of what is happening. Sometimes when you talk to me, I get frightened because you know so much. But certainly, I know with the teamwork that we are known for, that we can come and establish, again, if we are given responsibility, we'll be able to do it for Nigerians. I have a track record of being a nationalist, a federalist, a civil servant, a reporter like these young people. I know the country very well, and the people of the country know me. I have been tested as a civil servant, as a legislator, a minister in Abuja, and now in Bauchi, using small resources to do so much. As we are doing a similar thing here, Your Excellency, I can be trusted. I assure you, I will respect people. I will respect the Nigerian people, their feelings, because I know them and they have trusted me before. I didn't betray them. I know all the aspects of leadership, accountability. There is nothing I have not gone through, and you see me standing. So, even the party, I will respect the party's supremacy. I will deepen the reward system. The main thing is to bring good governance. Please trust me and give me the leadership. I'm not going to do it alone. We are going to do it together, because with you and others we can deepen leadership recruitment in a manner that Nigeria will be free of the boundaries of exclusion, nepotism, feeling of separatist movement, and so on and so forth. So I thank you most sincerely for being there for me, waiting for me. And I want to assure you, as a Democrat, all the people who came out are also good. I respect them. We are just competing as patriots. If there is anybody that is given the ticket, I will support him with all my heart.
I admire you a lot because, in the committee of us governors, particularly in our party, I know the role you have continued to play, that role of a bridge builder between the various divides. I'm not surprised because you come from a very rich background of experience and governance. I think you're one of the GSMs we have, or you're just GM, not S yet. Governor, minister, senator. So he's one of the few GSMs, as we say. So you come with a very wide breadth of and depth of experience, both in the legislature and the executive. So I'm just listening to you. I believe that you know what the issues are in Nigeria today, and you practically touched on all of them. You are sensitive, and you come with a lot of sensitivity, and this you display always when we meet, and we have to go deal with very, very contentious issues in our meetings. I can confirm that you're a patriot. Whatever the party agrees to do, as long as it's fair and just, we in Edo will support. You've come to see our delegates. Once you called, I told them that they should all come out this evening to wait for you and listen to you, so that they also have the privilege of hearing from you and making the decisions that they feel they need to make when the time comes. But as you know, you are our friend, you are in our prayers. I like your courage, I respect your courage and your tenacity. And all we can do is to pray to Almighty God, who knows it all, to give you the strength and the energy. You already have the courage to go through this. By the grace of God, I'm sure everything will turn out well. Congratulations.
So in terms of demographics, the youth of Nigeria have been very, very patient with us. We have sidelined them even at the rudimentary level going through the tertiary education. So the ASU issue is a manifestation of bad administration, lack of understanding of the system, lack of feedback mechanism between educational administrators and the government of the day. Because we have to understand some of our limitations in terms of the deployment of resources on the various contending needs in the economy. What is the percentage of the resources deployed to education? Education is the key. Have we prioritized education? Education, you can even incentivize the private sector. Definitely, we will use knowledge and experience. And then clear understanding, feedback mechanism to be able to resolve the issue of ASU, not only ASU as an association, but resolve some of the infrastructural and human capital gaps in our tertiary institution and even in the whole educational sector. We know that, forget about our numbers. Our numbers are said that we have high numbers, but very little decimal of employable numbers that we have among our youth. That's why you have youth restiveness, you have unemployment because they may not be employed. Time has come when we should start exporting labor to our neighbors, to some of the developing countries that are looking for labor. You go to Dubai, you go to Asian countries, you don't see Nigerians. And we are the most intelligent people in terms of intelligent quotient. But we have not harnessed it. This is the reason why I came out. I need people like him who know the numbers, but they don't have the opportunity. somebody like me who saw it all. We need to come out collectively, not single individual will do it. So the youth will have hope in me if I'm given the opportunity, because I know their challenges: self-actualization, exploitation of their potentials, employment, engagement, and services. That's all they're asking. They're not even asking for to share power.